In this class, we will study about proportion because ratio topic is excluded from the maths course for this board exam. Here, what is proportion? If A, B, C, D are few numbers given and they are said to be in proportion, then what is its mean? It means that the ratio of A and B is equal to the ratio of C and D. It means the ratio of first two term will be such as equals to C is to D, like A upon B equals C upon D, or you can write it as A is to B such as C is to D. Here all these A, B, C, D are known as terms, like A is the first term, B is the second term, C is the third term and D is fourth one, means fourth term. And the terms at the ends means A and D are known as extremes or extreme terms. Okay, and the middle term B and C are known as means or middle term. B and C are middle term. If you write as A upon B equals C upon D, then on doing cross multiplying, you will see that you will get A cross D equals to B cross C. As A cross D is product of extremes, that will be equals to product of means. If four terms are given, then the product of first and last term is equals to product of middle terms. Okay, now I am giving you this question. If question of the type this 6 is to x such as 2 is to 13, this sign represent proportion. Then how will you represent it? You can write it as 6 upon x is equals to 2 upon 13. By cross multiplying you can solve this x, then you will get 39. Okay. Similarly, if you are asked that find the fourth proportional of 5, 4, 25. Here order wise, this is first term, this is second term, this is third term, and you are asked fourth proportion or fourth term. It may be asked to find the fourth term or it may be asked to find the fourth proportional. Okay, then you will assume that fourth proportional be x and you will place x at fourth place. First you will assume it as, let the fourth proportional be x, then you can write it as 5 is to 4, means the ratio of first two will be such as third proportion and fourth proportion. Third proportion is to fourth proportion. On doing cross multiplying again you can get the fourth proportion. Okay, I am taking the another one question which is find the third proportional to 9 and 15. Here I am giving you two terms, first term 9, second term 15, and you have to calculate third term. First you will assume what is the third term? The third proportional be x. It means you will write x at third place like this, 9, 15, x. You will do continued proportion in this. If three terms are given, then you can write it as first term is to second term will be equal to second term equal to is to third term. Similarly, you can do carrying on like third term is to fourth term is to fifth term and so on. But here three terms given, then you will do first term is to second term, that will be equals to second term is to third term. On cross multiplying you will get the final answer 25. This will be at third place or third proportion. I am taking another one. Calculate the mean proportional between 9 and 16. If mean proportion is asked, it means you have to calculate middle term. Here only two terms are there, then you will assume mean proportional be x and put in the middle of these two given term. Again by same method, by continued proportion, you will solve 9 is to x equal x upon 16. On cross multiplying you will get 9 multiplied 16 equal x square. To calculate x, you will remove this square and shift on other side as a square root. solve it and you will get x. Finally, this is the last one, little tricky question. Calculate the mean proportion of a minus b and a cube minus a square b. Again you have to find the middle term or mean proportion. First consider it is x, put this in between, write down in proportion form and then ratio form, do cross multiply, and you have to use the method of factorization, in which you can take a square as common and then shift square on the other side as a square root and solve it. Okay, if you have any problem you can ask me in chat box, and keep watching my channel PCM classes by Ajit Agarwal for more sums. Thank you.